There is no specific requirement in the National Electrical Code, or NEC, that prohibits the installation of a panel board next to a sink. However, while not a direct violation of the code, installing a panel board in close proximity to a sink presents several potential hazards and is generally not considered a best practice. The primary concern is the risk of water damage. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination, and the presence of a sink creates a higher likelihood of water splashing, leaking, or otherwise coming into contact with the electrical components within the panel board. This can lead to several problems. Firstly, corrosion. Water exposure can cause corrosion of the panel board's internal components, such as breakers, busbars, and wiring connections. Corrosion can degrade the performance of these components, leading to malfunctions, overheating, and even electrical fires. Secondly, short circuits. Water can create a conductive path between electrical components, resulting in short circuits. Short circuits can cause breakers to trip, interrupting power supply and potentially damaging equipment connected to the circuit. In severe cases, short circuits can also lead to electrical fires. Thirdly, shock hazards. If water comes into contact with energized components within the panel board, it can create a shock hazard for anyone who touches the panel board or nearby conductive surfaces. Electrical shock can cause serious injury or even death. Fourthly, ground faults. Water can also create a path for ground faults, which occur when electricity flows to ground through an unintended path. Ground faults can also cause breakers to trip and can create shock hazards. Even though the NEC doesn't explicitly forbid panel boards near sinks, several sections of the code address general requirements for protecting electrical equipment from damage and ensuring safety. Article 110.3 B requires that equipment be installed and used in accordance with its listing and labeling. This means that the panel board should be installed in a location where it is not likely to be exposed to moisture or other environmental conditions that could damage it. Article 110.11 covers the deterioration of equipment. It states that electrical equipment must be protected from physical damage, including exposure to water or other liquids. Article 312.2 addresses the protection of cabinets, cutout boxes, and meter socket enclosures in damp or wet locations. While this section doesn't directly apply to panel boards installed next to sinks, it highlights the importance of protecting electrical enclosures from moisture. Article 408 covers switchboards and panel boards. Section 408.55 requires that panel boards be readily accessible, which means that they should not be obstructed by objects such as sinks or plumbing fixtures. While not directly related to water damage, this requirement ensures that the panel board can be easily accessed for maintenance and repairs. Therefore, even though there's no explicit rule, these broader safety requirements of the NEC suggest that installing a panel board next to a sink is not a good idea. It is important to consider these factors when planning an electrical installation to ensure the safety of people and property. In addition to code considerations, there are also practical reasons to avoid installing panel boards near sinks. Firstly, limited working space. Sinks often occupy a significant amount of wall space, which can limit the available working space around a panel board. This can make it difficult to install, maintain, and repair the panel board. Secondly, potential for damage during plumbing repairs. If plumbing repairs are needed in the future, there is a risk of accidentally damaging the panel board or electrical wiring. Thirdly, aesthetic considerations. Panel boards are not typically considered to be aesthetically pleasing, and installing them next to a sink can detract from the overall appearance of the room. If installing a panel board near a sink is unavoidable, there are several steps you can take to minimize the risks. Firstly, install a splash guard. A splash guard can help to protect the panel board from water splashing from the sink. Secondly, use a water-resistant panel board enclosure. Water-resistant enclosures are designed to protect electrical components from moisture. Thirdly, ensure proper grounding. Proper grounding can help to prevent electrical shock hazards in the event of a water leak. Fourthly, install a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, circuit breaker. A GFCI circuit breaker can quickly detect ground faults and interrupt power supply, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Fifthly, regularly inspect the panel board. Regularly inspect the panel board for signs of water damage such as corrosion or discoloration. If you notice any signs of water damage, contact a qualified electrician to inspect and repair the panel board. Several alternative locations can be considered for the panel board. Firstly, adjacent wall. If possible, install the panel board on an adjacent wall away from the sink. Secondly, a different room. Consider installing the panel board in a different room, such as a utility room or basement. Thirdly, higher location. Install the panel board higher up on the wall, away from the reach of splashing water. Fourthly, recessed panel board. Consider using a recessed panel board to minimize its protrusion into the room and reduce the risk of accidental damage. Here is an example to further illustrate the topic. Imagine a scenario where a panel board is installed directly next to a sink in a residential kitchen. Over time, small amounts of water splash onto the panel board enclosure during dishwashing and food preparation. The water penetrates the enclosure through small gaps and openings, eventually coming into contact with the internal components. The moisture causes corrosion of the breakers, busbars, and wiring connections. The corrosion weakens the connections and increases the resistance, leading to overheating. One day, a breaker overheats and trips, causing a power outage in the kitchen. The homeowner investigates and discovers the corrosion inside the panel board. They contact a qualified electrician who recommends replacing the panel board and relocating it to a safer location away from the sink. This scenario highlights the potential consequences of installing a panel board near a sink and emphasizes the importance of considering the risks of water damage. While the NEC may not explicitly prohibit such installations, it is crucial to exercise caution and prioritize safety. In summary, while the NEC does not contain a specific chapter and verse that forbids installing a panel board next to a sink, it is generally not recommended due to the potential for water damage. Installing a panel board in a location where it is likely to be exposed to moisture can lead to corrosion, short circuits, shock hazards, and ground faults. To minimize these risks, it is best to install the panel board in a location away from sinks and other sources of water. If installing near a sink is unavoidable, take steps to protect the panel board from water damage, such as installing a splash guard, using a water-resistant enclosure, and ensuring proper grounding. Always prioritize safety and consult with the qualified electrician to ensure that electrical installations are code compliant and safe. Always follow best practices and electrical safety measures.